Welcome to today's journey into self-awareness and personal growth. In this video, we're going to explore the concept of vibrational energy and identify 10 signs that might indicate you are operating from a low vibrational state. Understanding these signs is the first step toward raising your vibrations and transforming your life for the better. 1. Persistent negative emotions. The first sign of operating from a low vibration is experiencing persistent negative emotions. When your thoughts consistently lean towards sadness, anger, jealousy, or fear, it's a clear indicator that your vibrational energy is low. High vibrations, on the other hand, are marked by feelings of happiness, peace, and optimism. If you find yourself frequently feeling down or besieged by negative thoughts, it's time to examine and adjust your emotional state. 2. Constant fatigue. Another significant sign is constant fatigue, regardless of how much you rest or sleep. Low energy levels can manifest physically, draining you of the vitality needed to engage in daily activities. This isn't just about feeling sleepy. It's a profound exhaustion that affects your ability to enjoy life and perform even minimal tasks. If you're always tired, it may be worth considering whether your vibrational energy needs a boost. 3. Lack of enthusiasm. When you're operating from a low vibration, you might notice a lack of enthusiasm towards life. Activities and hobbies that once excited you may no longer do so. This detachment isn't just a fleeting disinterest. It's a deeper disconnection from the things that used to bring you joy. If everything feels bland or burdensome, it's a sign that your vibrational energy is low. 4. Poor sleep quality. Poor sleep quality can also be a sign of low vibrational energy. If you struggle to fall asleep, wake up frequently during the night, or feel unrefreshed in the morning, your body might be telling you that your energy is out of balance. Good sleep is essential for high vibrational living, as it restores both the mind and body. 5. Attracting negativity. If you find yourself repeatedly caught in negative situations or surrounded by toxic people, it may not be mere coincidence. Operating from a low vibration can attract more negativity into your life. This could manifest in relationships, work environments, or recurrent patterns of bad luck. Notice if negativity seems to follow you. It's a significant indicator of your vibrational state. 6. Feeling isolated or disconnected. A profound sense of isolation or disconnection from others can be a sign of low vibrational energy. This isn't just about being alone, it's about feeling separate or misunderstood by the people around you, even in a crowd. If you often feel like you're on a different wavelength from everyone else, it might be a sign that your vibrational energy is out of sync with your environment or the people in your life. 7. Regular conflict. Experiencing frequent conflicts can also be a symptom of operating from a low vibration. If you find that you're often involved in arguments or disagreements, whether minor or significant, it could be a reflection of your inner state. High vibrational energy typically promotes peace and understanding, while low vibrations can lead to clashes and discord. 8. Pessimism and hopelessness. Feeling pessimistic and hopeless about the future is another clear sign of low vibrational energy. When your outlook on life is generally bleak and you struggle to see possibilities for improvement or happiness, it's an indication that your energy levels are low. High vibrations are associated with optimism and a sense of unlimited potential. 9. Physical discomfort and illness. Chronic physical discomfort or recurring illnesses can be manifestations of low vibrational energy. If you frequently suffer from physical ailments without a clear medical explanation, it could be related to your vibrational state. The body's energy must be balanced and high to promote good health and recovery. 10. Difficulty in manifesting what you want. Finally, a significant sign of low vibration is difficulty in manifesting your desires. If it feels like no matter how hard you try, you can't achieve your goals or bring your dreams to reality, your vibrational energy might be to blame. High vibrational energy aligns more easily with the positive outcomes and attracts opportunities that can lead to success. To address and fix the issue of operating from low vibrational energy, it's essential to implement practices and habits that promote a higher vibrational state. Here are several effective strategies to help raise your vibrations and improve your overall well-being. 1. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools for raising your vibrations. Regular practice can help clear your mind of clutter and negativity, fostering a state of peace and higher awareness. Meditation connects you to the present moment and allows you to tap into higher frequencies of energy. 2. Engage in physical activity. Physical activity is not only good for the body, but also for the spirit. Exercise releases endorphins, which are hormones that help to elevate mood and energy levels. Whether it's yoga, dancing, or simply taking a walk in nature, moving your body can help shake off negative energy and improve your vibrational state. 3. Cultivate positive relationships. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who uplift you and share your desire for a higher vibrational life. Positive relationships enrich your life, provide emotional support, and help elevate your own energy levels. Try to minimize time spent with those who drain your energy or spread negativity. 4. Eat high vibrational foods. What you eat significantly affects your vibrational frequency. High vibrational foods are typically organic, fresh, and minimally processed. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are good choices. These foods enhance physical health and have a positive impact on your emotional and energetic state. 5. Practice gratitude. Keeping a gratitude journal or regularly acknowledging things you are grateful for can significantly elevate your vibrations. Gratitude shifts your focus from what is lacking to the abundance that is already present in your life, fostering a sense of contentment and joy. 6. Limit exposure to negative media. Constant exposure to negative news, social media, or entertainment can drag down your vibrational energy. Try to limit your exposure to these negative influences and instead seek out uplifting and positive media that inspire or educate. 7. Spend time in nature. Nature has a naturally high vibrational frequency, and spending time outdoors can help align your energy with it. Activities like walking in a forest, sitting by a lake, or simply sitting in a park can help clear your mind and elevate your spirit. 8. Develop a regular sleep routine. Quality sleep is crucial for maintaining high vibrational energy. Develop a bedtime routine that promotes relaxation and ensures you get enough restful sleep. This might include turning off electronic devices an hour before bed, reading a book, or meditating. 9. Use positive affirmations. Positive affirmations can reprogram your subconscious mind and help raise your vibrations. Choose affirmations that resonate with your desires and goals, and repeat them daily to reinforce positive beliefs and attitudes. 10. Seek professional help when needed. If you're struggling with negative emotions or health issues that you can't seem to overcome on your own, it may be beneficial to seek help from a professional. This could be a therapist, counselor, or a coach specialized in spiritual or energetic healing. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you can start to shift from a low vibrational state to a higher, more energetic and positive one. Remember, change takes time, and small, consistent actions can lead to significant transformations.